Leo's wheels go round and round, rolling fast on the rocky ground, through the hills and over the stream, chasing the sunbeams' golden gleam. Ride the rails with Truck Leo today, adventures calling, don't delay. Through the valleys and skies so blue, the world is waiting just for you. He whistles loud and sings his tune underneath the silver moon. Lights ahead like fireflies glow.